Welcome to J&J's test video 49492. This is a 2005 Tacoma Pre-Runner, 4-liter 2-wheel drive, long bed, hitting the left-hand front, has 216,000 miles on it. It's actually fairly clean. It's not like terrible, but it's typical Toyota frame crap. But the body's not bad. Interior's not bad. Carpet's a little worn out, stuff like that. But it runs good, radios work. Shifter's stuck. I believe it's probably a rusty shifter cable. Runs nice though. Let's listen to it. Let's see. Radio works. No CD. Windows go up and down. Mirrors. Just typical Toyota truck stuff. Alright. I'm not going to mess with the transmission. It does go into gear. It's just the shifter's all jacked up because of that cable. So we'll leave that at that. There it goes. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pet spayed and neutered.